This is a surprisingly elegant looking basket set. Even the way it ships and the way they packaged it, it's meant to look elegant and it feels elegant. This is just a sticker, but even so, at least they're trying. You get this thing. Now, this is my favorite of all. I think these are fantastic for kids' rooms. I hate it when they spring out. It scares me. These are fantastic for kids' rooms because when they're not using them, you can fold them away into their closet. They're easy to carry. I recommend every household have these in their kids' rooms. And then it even has a little pocket on the outside for if they're trying not to lose something. Maybe they want their sports outfit needs to be washed every Friday night so that Saturday they can play soccer. Put it in the outside pocket so that it always gets washed. I assume your 5 or 6 year old. I wash all my kids' clothes. So sometimes when my son has a soccer game, he'll just throw all of his clothes in there together, and I wanted to put them somewhere safe. So that's what that's for. And then this is easy to carry, very lightweight, of course, because it's springy. I love these things. Then you get this three stack. All of this comes together. You get this three stack. And you can take them out and separate them if you want, or you can keep them stacked together. And that's the great thing about it. This is super cute. So maybe you want to put socks in it, or you're going to use it for detergent, or I don't know what else. You could use it for pretty much anything. It can go anywhere. It can go on that side. It can go on this side. It can go to the inside. So it doesn't just have to be laundry for these. You can use them for cleaning products. Maybe you tote it around like this, or even better, this is perfect for cleaning supplies. And then you've got 2 layers that you can use in there. You can use this for craft supplies. If you've got a little craft area and you want to put crayons and markers and paper, pretty good for that. And of course, yes, definitely, you could use it for laundry. This is a little bit shorter than the normal kind of laundry baskets with the handles, but very lightweight, not a heavy plastic, will hold an entire load of laundry. This will hold less laundry because it is much smaller. And then the whole set together looks really good. Perfect in a bathroom, can go pretty much anywhere. To show you the inside, so pretty deep. And then you've got handles everywhere. If you need to carry them like that, you can carry them like this. And it's sturdy. This handle is not going anywhere. Then, of course, you've got the little dip here, and that is also on the smaller one. So they do look great together, but you could split them up and put them anywhere. This one by itself, I'm not really sure how useful it is by itself, unless you're just going to set it on your counter or your bathroom somewhere. It really isn't so great all by itself, but together with these, I think it's pretty genius, especially if you're carrying these around and you want to keep them separate. If you have to go to the laundromat, these would be amazing for that because you could keep your laundry supplies in one and your dirty laundry in the other. But even just if you have to go around the house gathering up stuff. Anyways, I'm blabbering now. I hope that helps if you're trying to decide to get these. I think they're a good quality and I think they're really cute.